Hi everyone, on this channel I review various sites that you send me. I do it so you don't have to. The topic of today's video is Nintendo eShop gift cards completely free, which is on a site a few of you asked me to review. Is it possible? Can you get it? Well yes you can. You will find out in this video how, and I'll just explain what an eShop gift card is. Most people already know this, but for those who don't, I think it's worth explaining. With a gift card, you can charge your Nintendo account for a certain amount and then buy yourself a game or a premium subscription, or you can use it for your favorite virtual currency. For example, with a Nintendo eShop gift card, you can buy your favorite games. The link to the site is at the pinned comment below the first comment.
So guys, first thing you need to do is get your mobile phone device and visit this website right here. You can see it right now, and just enter this website. Wait for this process to finish. So guys, as you can see, we have a bunch of offers. They are all free, so don't worry, and we need to complete one of them. Let's choose the Pizza Hut gift card, and I'll do the offer real quick, and I'll speed up the video because it's going to take a few minutes, like 2 or 3. And here it is, guys. You just need to click on I confirm and continue. We should be done. Only thing left to do is wait for the email. Verification has been completed, and here is our code, guys. You can see it on my screen right now, and that's how you get free $50 worth of Nintendo eShop codes.